Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about creators that I really like and they are killing it with their ManyChat strategies. And this video is not gonna be about the basic setup of ManyChat. We already went through it. I will link the basic setup of ManyChat up somewhere that you guys can check it out. But in this video, I'm gonna go over the actual strategy of content creators who are using ManyChat to automate their setup. Let's dive in. So the first creator, I really like this Instagram channel, and I think the guy is awesome. He gives really good advice about fitness and stuff. So you can see here my chat with him. So I commented something on his reel or a post. I forgot. I'm sorry, I don't remember. And obviously he gave you a keyword to message in his comments, and the conversation led me here with him. So he messages, "Hey, good on you for reaching out. Here's the free cortisol guide to get you started. This is really shit. Okay, let me have it." Let me have it was actually a button. I did not say it. It was a button. And I'll show you how to create that button. Okay, nice. To confirm that you're a real person, please enter your email address. And I gave my email address, which is my personal email address. And I'll tell you exactly why they asked for email address and how do you connect it with your email marketing platform. "Thanks, Zahid. May I ask your name?" And then they asked me my name. And then he gave me the free guide. And this came later, like a few hours later. I guess it was 6 hours gap that he messaged me these messages. So I'll go over it, but I'm gonna switch over to ManyChat and exactly tell you how he did that.
Okay, so just like my previous video, I explained how you add a new trigger, and I'm gonna go over it very quickly. So we are gonna choose either all post or reels or specific post or reel. For this example, I'm using all post or reels. For you, it might be a specific post because of your lead gen. So I'm gonna continue, and I'm just gonna add cortisol, which was his keyword, if I remember correctly. And then I'm gonna select continue. You can either reply with random replies, and you can just copy paste these template ones. I'm gonna select no, but if you want, you can add multiple replies. I'm gonna select no, save, and that's it. Okay, so in our example, this is his first message, and I told you that this was a button. So let's go over it. So as soon as someone responds, we're gonna send them a message saying, "Hey, good on you," and add a button. "Hey, good on you for taking action." Button title, let me have it. What this button is going to do is send them another message, and another message would be nice. And then we are gonna, it would be nice. And then next is gonna be another message, and this time, this, if you can see it, nice, and this is another message without any delay to confirm you're a real person. So they are collecting data. So what we're gonna do is collect data, and we are gonna remove this one and just keep this. Confirm you are a real person. Please enter your email address. You can modify this message however you like. So in this case, what we are expecting is contact to reply with their email address, and these are the odd options that you can go through. And I'm gonna show you that this comes with 3 possible next steps, and that would be an action, and I'm going to show you what to do with this. So first, go over with action, and in this panel what we're going to do is add an action, and that would be contact data. And we want to set user field in this, and our user field is going to be an email address, and from here I'm going to select an email. We're expecting an email. Okay, further in this, what we can do is, if you have ConvertKit, which integrates directly with ManyChat, and this is the reason why I'm using ConvertKit for my own business, is because it connects directly with ManyChat. I think you can do exactly that with MailChimp as well, but I think it requires another plugin, which is a paid plugin, and I didn't want to go through that. So I'm connecting ManyChat directly with ConvertKit. And once the user field is set, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this contact email address to my form. And I'm going to tell it email address and the last name, and this data is going to go to ConvertKit, and ConvertKit is going to do its whole welcome series or whatever you've set up on ConvertKit. Let me know if you want to see how to set up ConvertKit. So our next step is going to be about thanks heaps, may I ask your name? Okay, so the next message is going to be about may I ask your name, which is again a data field. May I ask your name, and we're expecting contact to reply with first name. And again, we're going to do is create an action, add it to our user data, set user field, and user field is going to be first name, and the system field is going to be first name. You can add it to ConvertKit, but I think the email address is fine for that. And our next would be I send my email address. Awesome, thank you. And now here's your first guide. Okay, so our next step would be to actually deliver the lead gen. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a message, thanks heaps. Here is your lead gen. Here is your lead gen. And we're going to add a button, and we are going to add the website URL, or if you have a file, you need to upload it somewhere like Google Drive or something, and share Google Drive link here. So this is our whole setup for Jara Martins, where we started with the trigger of when user comments on real post, we added a button, then a message, then we asked them the email address and added that email address to our ConvertKit, and as well as ManyChat's email database. And then we asked them the name, and then we added the first name to our ManyChat's user field, and then we delivered the lead gen. So this is Jara Martin's ManyChat setup. The advantage of this method is that you collect data before giving your lead gen, and I think it's a great strategy to start with. So I'm gonna see you in another video. If you have any questions, list them down below and I'll answer them. I would highly recommend you to join my newsletter, because I send out emails on Tuesdays and Fridays where I go over strategies, tips and tricks about ManyChat, email marketing, ConvertKit, and also ClickUp, because if you've seen, I love using ClickUp and I've purchased it. And if you want to sign up, the links are down below. These are affiliate links. If you use them to sign up, I will get a little bit of a commission, but that's up to you. This is what I use, and I see you in the next video.